In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online quiz in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a teacher looking to engage your students, a manager wanting to assess your team's knowledge, or just someone who loves creating fun quizzes for friends, this guide will walk you through the process using Google Forms. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to drive.google.com. Once there, you'll see a big, colourful button on the left that says New. Go ahead and click on that. When you click New, a menu will pop up with several options. What you're looking for is Google Forms, and you may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Once you've found Google Forms, click on it. You'll be presented with a few templates to choose from, but for our purpose today, we'll choose Blank Quiz. Clicking on Blank Quiz will open up a new form that you can start customizing immediately. Now let's move on to naming your form. At the top you'll see an untitled form. Click on the text and type in a name for your quiz. This could be anything from science quiz to pop culture trivia or whatever suits your theme. The next thing we want to do is adjust some settings. On the top right corner of the form editor, click on Settings. Here you'll find an option to make this a quiz. Toggle that on. This option is vital as it will allow for automatic grading and offer feedback to respondents. With the quiz setting activated, click on the Questions tab. Here is where the real creativity begins. You can start adding questions by clicking on Add Question. There's a plus sign icon that makes it easy and intuitive to keep adding as many questions as you wish. As you add questions, you'll see options appear for different types of answers. You can decide whether you want multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, or even paragraph style responses. Choose what aligns best with the question you're asking. Fill out your questions and potential answers. When that's done, select Answer Key to specify correct answers for each question. You'll also want to assign point values to these based on how difficult the question is or the weight you prefer. Once all your questions and answers are input, consider customizing your quiz. This could involve changing the theme or adding images to make it more visually appealing and engaging for your participants. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, click on the Send button to publish and share your quiz. You can send it out via email, a direct link, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to create an online quiz using Google Forms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see what creative quizzes you come up with. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing.